Hello. Okay, here we go. We have an experiment for today. Still talking about weather. We're going to make a cloud because clouds are a big part of our weather, right? The clouds make rain and the clouds make snow and the clouds cover the sun and make it cold sometimes.
It has a rainbow.
There are rainbows sometimes after the rain when it's cloudy, huh? So yesterday we got to do some cloud writing. If you got to do it, great. Practicing writing our letter W in shaving cream or whatever you found to write it in. So today we're going to make a cloud. So I'm gonna have my helpers help me today. What we need is a jar we have here. We have some warm water and we have ice. And then we have hairspray. So the way a cloud is formed, let me tell you real quick, is you need warm, moist air, which we're gonna create in this jar by pouring the hot water in there. And then we're going to add cold air by putting the ice cubes on top. And that's gonna send cold air down to meet with the warm air. And then it needs what's called a nuclei, just a little particle of dust or anything for that cloud to grab onto and form a cloud with. And that's what we have the hairspray for. That's gonna be our little dust particle or our little nuclei. So let's see if this works. Are we ready? Okay, so if you go ahead and add our hot water to the jar, our warm water. Dump it all the way in there. Good job. Okay, and then we have to swirl it because we want the whole jar to be nice and warm. And it doesn't take very long for it to get all warm. Try and swirl it the best I can without spilling it all over the place, because I don't want to do that. Okay, and then we're going to put the lid with the ice on top.
Upside down.
Yep. Okay, and now we have to wait for a minute because right now this ice is making all this air up here turn cold. So we have to give it some time to turn cold and meet with the warm air down here. So let's count to 20. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You guys started counting really fast. Okay, it's been 20 seconds, so now it's time to add the nuclei or the dust particle or the thing that the cloud's gonna start forming around. So I'm gonna lift the lid off and Zoe's gonna spray just a little spray in there really fast. Or Lexi, you wanna lift the lid off? And then we're gonna put the lid back on. Ready? Okay, put it back on. Hopefully that was enough. Let's see.
I feel more than you.
Now we have to wait. And we have to wait and watch for condensation to form. Oh, I see some. It's getting foggy in there. Up at the top a little bit. Let's see.
I see some light at the bottom.
At the bottom. It's starting to get cloudy. I don't know if you friends can see that in the video.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, can you see up here at the top? We've got some condensation starting to form here. We want to let it get a little more foggy and cloudy inside before we let the cloud out.
This doesn't look like a cloud. I thought a cloud would be like white with some bumps.
Oh, there's different kinds of clouds and it depends on the weather and things and the wind. But we're just making a simple cloud. Okay, hold on. Yep, it's starting to form. Just don't want to lift it up until we have a good cloud.